Today I am going to share with you how to sew a baby collar with cute and embroidery flowers. In this video, I used boolion rose flowers, French knot buds, fly stitch leaves and stem stitch for the collar and the other part also. I'm using GPO lace to the frock. Subscribe to the Love Life and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. Using cotton fabric is easy to wear for the kids and very comfortable. Try this for your little princess once. If you have any doubt, comment me in comment section and give a thumbs up. Subscribe to Love Life and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. Thanks for watching Love Life.